What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey back at it with another video. This brand in particular has had a great year in my opinion, and here's why. This brand has been dropping nothing but exclusive collabs. New Balance is having a great year in 2021. So you have like a New Balance 550, then you have all the other New Balances 990s and etc. I'm not going to be a New Balance connoisseur. I don't really know much about New Balances. I'm going to be completely honest. My first New Balance cop, I'm a Leon Dore 550s, as you guys already know. Like I said, I am not a New Balance head, but of recent, I cannot keep my eyes off this brand. Growing up here in Connecticut, we didn't really wear New Balances much. I mean, for myself included, we were always on the Nikes and the Jordans, then the Adidas was after. Anything after that was pretty much optional to other sneakerheads and what's out there. Man, has that have traveled north and everyone's pretty much wearing New Balances now. Me picking up the 550s has pretty much introduced me into the brand and seeing where their vision is headed with all the collabs that they have had recently in the fire colorways and the comfortability. Is that even a word? I don't know.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Maybe, but we're gonna make it a word today. Comfortability, being comfortable. Let's say that instead. These shoes are extremely comfortable. For a person like me that has a wide foot, I wear size 10. Feeling comfortable and also having the style and the swag worth winning with wearing these shoes. Can't go wrong with it. Let me show you the pair that Shaq just recently picked up. I didn't pick up, but my boy Shaq let me take some pictures of these and some videos. Let me show you guys these shoes. Here are some shots that I've taken with my camera. I think the shoe looks amazing. Man, like I said, New Balance is having a great year. This shoe looks overall good in my opinion. Then you also have the buttery suede here. It looks great. You got the Age sole. Man, this shoe just looks overall good, and especially on foot. Shout out to Shaq for copping these. Man, I can't thank you guys enough for checking out my latest video. If you're new, subscribe. If you already subscribed, welcome back. You guys already know the vibes. It's your boy Mikey. Shout out to New Balance, man. They have been killing it in 2021. If you haven't got a pair of New Balance in your sneaker rotation, you are missing out. You heard it here first from your boy Mikey. You guys already know. Loners up.